The Mediana A15 is a semi-automatic automated external defibrillator designed to provide swift and effective interventions during sudden cardiac arrest incidents. Its user-friendly features make it suitable for deployment in various settings, including schools, sports clubs, and community groups. The device powers on automatically upon opening the protective cover, ensuring rapid emergency readiness. The defibrillation pads come pre-attached, allowing for immediate application without delay. These versatile pads are suitable for adult and paediatric patients, eliminating the need for pad changes based on age. A simple switch enables users to toggle between adult and paediatric modes, adjusting the energy levels appropriately without changing the pads. The A15 provides clear voice prompts and visual LED indicators to guide the rescuer through each step of the defibrillation process, enhancing confidence and effectiveness during high-stress situations. Equipped with a disposable, non-rechargeable battery, the AED offers a 2-year shelf life and a 5-year standby life, ensuring reliability over extended periods.